Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, we're tackling about a common data manipulation task, splitting first names and last name using the split formula. Ever had a list of full names and needed to split them? Well, with split formula, you can easily split names into first and last. It's a game changer for organizing data. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the split formula step by step. Whether you're managing contacts or organizing lists, this skill will come in handy. So whether you're a spreadsheet newbie or a seasoned pro, join us as we discover the split formula and show you how to streamline your data manipulation tasks in Google Sheets. Let's get started.